Hello friends, myself Lakshmi Vinayak Derekar. Today's topic is what is meant by interpreter, compiler and assembler. In firstly machine use the machine language, that is binary language. Binary language is very difficult to code any program. That is, suppose we write 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This operation is right in a machine code. Every statement is written in binary number, that is 2 is written in binary number like 010101, or plus symbol is written also in binary, that is 010101, that is binary means machine language. This is very difficult to write code to the human that's why in 1940 assembly language is introduced. The father of assembly language is K. Booth. K. Booth is introduced assembly language in 1940. It is make so much easier as a machine language. To convert the machine assembly language code into the machine language, then use a assembler. Assembler is a machine dependent, or assembler is used to convert the assembly language code into the machine code. We perform the same operation like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 in assembly code. Then we write 2 for add. For plus symbol we use ADD, that is add, and 2 is equal to we use AQ, that is EQ is equal to 4. In assembly language, some operation digits give is a specific symbol. This is also difficult to develop a wild application. Assembly is not sufficient to develop a wild application, so that's why we go through the high level language, or also assembly language is also called as a low level language, and we go through the high level language. To convert the high level language into the machine code, we use interpreter or compiler. The purpose of interpreter and compiler is the same. It is same work, but working is different. To convert high programming language into the machine code, we use the compiler or interpreter, but working is different, but purpose is the same. To convert high level language into the machine code by using the compiler, then compile run the code at a time, or whole code execute at a time. But interpreter, whole code is not execute, it is execute a code line by line. Interpreter execute a code line by line, but compiler run a code whole code at a time. To run whole code at a time, then it shows all the error and warning at a same time, because it is run the whole code at a time. But compiler is run the code line by line, that's why it is show the error at a time, because it is compile line by line code. Debugging by using the compile, debugging of the program is slow, but in case of interpreter, debugging is faster, because it is show the error at every line. But in case of the compiler, error is show same time, whole error is show at the same time. This is whole about the interpreter, compiler and assembly language. Assembler is used to convert the assembly language into the machine code. Compiler and interpreter is used to convert the high level language into the machine code. The purpose of compiler and interpreter is the same, but working is different. This is all about the assembler, interpreter, and compiler. Thank you.